Sup fam, Vince here and welcome back to my channel. Make sure that you watch until the end of the video kasi meron tayong small giveaway from Amourbeaute and dadagdagan ko na rin ng a few more products from Squad Cosmetics. If you guys are interested, let's glow. As you guys can see, I'm not wearing any makeup right now. Nag-skincare lang ako and nag-lip prep lang ako. Now that one brow is all done, I wanted to add color dun sa cheeks ko. And we're gonna try out the Amourbeaute Clay Blush. According to their Shopee account, they have 3 different shades nitong clay blush nila, but I only have 2. I have the shades Hestia and Pads. Pero para mas makita nyo yung legit kulay nung isang shade na nawawala, yung shade na Lily, I'm gonna flash the picture on the screen right now para ma-visualize nyo, para siyang old rose shade. I think sobrang ganda rin to, lakas mga fresh. The Amourbeaute Clay Blushers 3-in-1 retails for 150 pesos each and is also available through their Shopee account, which I'll put the link on the description box down below. So according to the product description, sabi dito multi-use product siya. So pag sinabing multi-use product siya, pwede siya gamitin sa eyes, pwede sa cheeks, and pwede rin sa lips. So on this side, gagamitin natin yung shade na Hestia, and on this side, gagamitin natin itong shade na Pads. But before we even dive in, let's look at the other information on the product itself. Looking at the component of the product, it's on a metal container. This is very standard sa mga clay blushers. And meron siyang top-off sticker. Nakalagay yung picture ng influencer na nag-represent ng mismong shade na yun. It also says here, this is 3-in-1 eyeshadow, blush, and lips. It also has a list of ingredients, pero sobrang liit na hindi ko na siya mabasa. It says here, this is manufactured by Amourbeaute Cosmetics. Nakalagay yung expiration date, which is on 2022. So I think this is good for 12 months from the open date. And this one contains 10 grams worth of products. So nabubuksan na natin tong product na to. Gagawa tayo ng hand swatches. So first, let's try out the shade Hestia. I'm just using my fingers para magkaroon ng warmth yung product, para medyo matunaw-tunaw siya ng konti. This is like your standard clay blush. This is how the shade Hestia looks like, and now we're gonna do a hand swatch. For the base color, it looks like a brick red shade, but this one is on the muted side. When we say parang nasa muted side, hindi siya sobrang intense brick red shade. Makikita mo pa rin yung hint ng peach color dun sa mismong shade na to. And for the other one, we're gonna swatch the shade Pads. So again, gamit-gamit ko lang yung finger ko para magkaroon ng warmth yung product mismo. Now na-coated na yung finger natin, this is how the shade Pads looks like. Let's do a hand swatch. This one looks like a terracotta brown but on the lighter side. Magdadagdag lang tayo ng konti. Makikita mo talaga yung orange undertone dito. If you guys are gonna look at both colors, this one is cool toned and this one is on the warm toned side. So yeah, at least meron tayong choices. Kung gusto nyo gumamit ng clay blush na cool toned, pwede yung isang shade, and if gusto nyo naman ng warm toned, pwede rin yung isang shade. It's very easy to remove, regular BB wipes lang to. So now let's try this out. We're gonna start with the shade Hestia. So gawin muna natin yung blush. Maglagay lang tayo ng dots here and we're gonna try to blend it out. Medyo napadami ata yung nilagay ko, pero try natin i-blend. So lagay na rin natin yung other side ng ating nose para medyo drunk blush tayo. Ay, gusto ko yung color niya pero medyo napadami yung lagay ko. Medyo intense lang, pero ang ganda. Initial reaction ko, it's not oily on the skin. Kasi merong mga clay blush na super oil-based talaga na parang ang lagkit-lagkit sa skin. Pero this one, it's not like that. Para siyang powder finish. It's super nice. It looks very natural. Sobrang go-to ko talaga sa mga no makeup look yung mga clay blush. Lalo na pag yung hindi ko masyadong trip maglagay ng super daming makeup. Parang skin prep lang tapos clay blush, okay na ako dun. This is how the clay blush looks like on a minimal application. Dagdagan pa natin ng very light para makita nyo and para mas mag-register siya sa camera. So I'm currently intensifying the clay blush dito sa side na to para putok na putok yung ating drunk blush. Ayan, sobrang putok na talaga siya. Lagyan na rin natin ng konti yung ating lids. And maglalagay tayo sa kalahati ng lips. Ay, ang ganda niya sa lips, so parang natural lang. Ay, gusto ko to sa lips, so ang nice. In fairness dun sa opacity niya, nakikita ko talaga na nako-cover niya yung dark spots ng lips ko. And pag ginawa mo yung medyo overline, parang niyang pinapalabas na parang plump yung lips or mamaga-maga. Yun yung gusto ko talaga. Super nice. This is one side with Hestia. Let's try out the shade Pads on the other side of my face. So again, maglalagay lang tayo ng a few dots dito sa area na to. Tapos, we're gonna blend it out. Again, medyo intense na naman tong color na to. Pero i-blend out natin siya ng maayos. This is how pads look like on the other side of my skin. Maglagay na rin tayo sa lips. So this is how it looks like on a minimal application. I think that this shade is not for me dahil mas na-emphasize niya yung yellow undertone ng skin ko. Pero so far, I'm liking this side a lot better. Let's try to intensify this one para mas makita nyo yung totoong color payoff niya. This is how the shade pads looks like on my skin, and this one is the shade Hestia. Looking at the two shades, I think mas gusto ko yung Hestia, yung pagka-pula niya, yung pagka-brick red niya na medyo cool toned, na medyo muted. Kasi this one looks very, very natural. Pero yung pad, sobrang lumabas talaga yung orange undertone ng muted terracotta brown niya. So, I think that this shade is not for me. This one, sobrang magagamit ko talaga on a daily. Sobrang nice niya. If we're gonna talk about the formula of both shades, they have the same formula, of course, because it's the same product. Pero I really, really love the formula kasi it's not making me super oily. I have combination skin, and nung nilapat ko na yung formula na to, it doesn't look shiny on my skin. Para siyang slightly powder finish, and I like that. Gustong gusto ko yung shade na Hestia. Alam mo yung para kang uminom ng alak, tapos parang medyo lasing-lasing ka na ng konti. Parang ganun yung itsura niya. Sobrang nice. Ang ganda ng pagka-blush nito. Alam nyo guys, gusto ko rin matry yung isa pang shade, yung medyo old rose, kasi ang lakas maka-fresh nun for sure. So Amourbeaute, kung meron kayong stock, gusto ko matry yung old rose shade na yun. And those are all the products that we have from Amourbeaute. And sabi ko nga kanina, I'm doing a separate review on the Amourbeaute matte powdery lip products that they have right here. Kasi I wanted to talk about yung formula niya, yung shades niya, and details, and I think that we don't have a lot of time. I don't want to bore you guys. Pero now, before the giveaway, for my final thoughts. Starting with the Amourbeaute Coffee Lip Scrub, I think this is a combination of two products that I know. I am using some sugar-based lip scrubs, which is sugar lang talaga yung laman. So pag ginamit mo siya, is ang malalasahan mo is yung sugar lang, and I'm also using parang a grainy type almond-based lip scrub, which is pag nilagay mo siya sa lips mo is mararamdaman mo talaga yung grains. Since this one is a fusion of coffee and sugar, you will be getting the grains which comes from the coffee, and you will be getting the sweetness from the sugar itself. The Pro-Set on Coffee Lip Scrub is definitely for the exfoliation, which is the main purpose of the lip scrub. Ma-achieve mo talaga yun kasi nga it's like grains plus sugar. I also really, really, really love the scent of this lip scrub. First time ko makatry ng coffee lip scrub. So, perfect talaga to. Gustong gusto ko talaga to. However, on some cons, basic to sa lahat ng mga sugar-based lip scrubs, medyo makalat siya. So, if you are trying to exfoliate your lips, pwede mo na to dalhin sa pagligo mo habang nag-toothbrush ka. Doon ka na mag-lip scrub kasi pag ginawa mo to dito sa room mo or sa studio mo, kakalat lang talaga yung mga sugars, lalo na kapag sobrang dry yung lips mo. So, I highly recommend na maglagay ka muna ng lip balm para kumapit yung sugar or yung grain sa lips mo bago ka mag-lip scrub. Moving on to the Amourbeaute Duo Pomade Eyebrow product. I really like it. I just hope na yung shade ko yung napadala nila sa akin. I never wear brown eyebrow products. Pero talking about the two components na meron tong product ito, it has a brow soap which I really like. Sobrang tayong-tayo talaga yung kilay ko ngayon. It's not clumpy. I really love it. And the brow pomade itself, I think it's really pigmented. We're gonna try to do a swatch using this brow pomade. Medyo stiff lang yung formula niya, pero makikita mo talaga na magsistay siya dun sa iyong skin. This is how the swatch looks like. Sobrang intense niya talaga. For the price point, I think it's okay. 165 pesos since combination na siya ng isang eyebrow pomade and ng brow soap. Normally, brow soaps ranges from 99 pesos, yung medyo malaki na. Pero with that, wala ka pang eyebrow pomade, and pomades usually cost like 150 to 200. I'm not really sure basing it on the market right now ng mga startup local brands. So 165 with a combination of both, for me, it's just fair. Last but not least, the Amourbeaute Clay Blushes. I really love Hestia. Sobrang bet na bet ko talaga tong shade na to. Talking about the formula, I love it. It's not greasy on the skin. 150 pesos for 10 grams. Sobrang worth it na talaga yon. You will be able to use this for a very, very long time. Well, of course, bago yung expiration date niya. Pero so far, so good. I love Hestia. I don't think pads is the shade for me. I wanted to try the other shade pa, yung Lily, yung parang medyo old rose shade. Pero this one is really nice. I love it. If you guys wanted to get products from Amourbeaute Cosmetics, I'll put their Shopee account link on the description box down below para isang click nyo na lang makabili na kayo ng mga products sila. Hashtag support your local brands, lalo na yung mga startup brands pa lang. So I want to thank Amourbeaute Cosmetics for trusting me, for sending your products. I really like them. Now, I know that you guys are excited for the giveaway, so we are giving away 2 shades nitong Amourbeaute Clay Blushes. We have the shade Pads and we also have the shade Hestia. I'm also giving out the goodies that they have right here since hindi ko naman siya magagamit and I think mas mapapakinabangan siya ng ibang tao. And I'm also gonna add some products from Squad Cosmetics. This one is the Neutral Squad Eyeshadow Palette. We also have here the Squad Blush Eyeshadow Palette since hindi ko naman ito magagamit, so i-add ko na lang din dito. If you are interested to join the giveaway, instructions are just very simple. Check it out. It's on the description box down below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.